Good evening, kids. I'm Ate Regina. I will tell you the story of Cinderella. Kilala niyo ba Cinderella?
Opo.
Okay, let's start. Cinderella lives in a big house with her ugly sisters. She has to do all the housework without any help. Every day, Cinderella dusts the house, makes the beds, washes the dishes, and sweeps the floor. She has to work very hard. The ugly sisters are very lazy. They do not help Cinderella. She even has to help them get ready when they go out. Cinderella daw, kids, nakatira sa malaking bahay kasama yung dalawa niyang kapatid. Tapos araw-araw, anong ginagawa niya?
Linis ng bahay,
Hugas
naghuhugas
ng
ng
pinggan,
pinggan,
tapos nag-ayos ng
kama.
kama. Okay. One day, an invitation arrives for the ugly sisters. It is for the palace ball. Cinderella is not invited. Tapos ano yung dumating? Invitation. Para kanino? Kasama ba si Cinderella? Oo, hindi kasama si Cinderella. On the day of the ball, Cinderella helps her sisters get ready. She washes their dresses and polishes their shoes. She helps them get dressed and brushes their hair. The ugly sisters do not help Cinderella with anything. Nung araw na daw nung sayawan sa palasyo, tinulungan ni Cinderella yung dalawa niyang kapatid. Oo, yung mag-ayos. Sinuklayan niya, tapos tinulungan niyang binihisan. Tapos nilaban din niya yung mga damit na susuot, tapos pinakintab yung sapatos. When the ugly sisters have gone, Cinderella is very tired. She sits by the fire. I wish I could go to the ball, she says. You shall go to the ball, someone says. Cinderella looks up. Who are you? She asks. I am your fairy godmother, says the stranger. Tapos nung nakaalis na daw yung dalawa niyang kapatid, naupo si Cinderella, tapos sabi niya, sana makapunta siya dun sa sayawan. Tapos may biglang nagpakita sa kanya. Sino yung nagpakita?
Fairy godmother.
Tapos sabi sa kanya,
Pwede siya pumunta.
oo, pumunta siya dun sa sayawan. Bring me a pumpkin, says the fairy godmother. Then she waves her magic wand and turns the pumpkin into a beautiful coach. Next, Cinderella finds 2 white mice and 2 lizards. The fairy godmother turns the mice into horses. She turns the lizards into a footman and a couch driver. Tapos, sabi nung fairy godmother, magdala siya ng kalabasa. Tapos, minagic nung fairy godmother. Anong ginawa niya doon sa kalabasa? Karwahe. Oo. Tapos nakakita si Cinderella ng dalawang
butike.
Anong ginawa niya sa daga? Tapos yung butike?
Driver.
Oo, yung driver. The fairy godmother changes Cinderella's rags into a beautiful dress. On her feet are glass slippers. Tapos pati yung damit ni Cinderella na parang basahan, ginawa niyang gandang damit. Tapos yung sapatos niya, ano?
Again.
You must leave the ball before the clock strikes 12, says the fairy godmother. Then the magic will end. Cinderella rides off in the couch. Anong oras yung sinabi nung fairy godmother? Ano mangyayari pag na-12 daw?
Babalik yung magic na
Babalik yung magic
Yung
sa
basahan
kanya.
ng gabi.
At the palace, Cinderella sees her ugly sisters. They do not know who Cinderella is. They think she is a princess. Tapos nakita daw si Cinderella nung kanyang mga kapatid dun sa sayawan, sa palasyo. Tapos hindi siya nakilala. Anong tingin sa kanya? Prinsesa. Kasi maganda yung damit niya. The prince dances with Cinderella all night. He will not dance with anyone else. Cinderella is very happy. Tapos nakita din si Cinderella nung prinsipe. Tapos siya lang yung sinayaw ng gabi. Buong gabi naman. Suddenly, the clock begins to strike 12. Cinderella runs from the palace. Her dress turns back into rags. The coach becomes a pumpkin again. The horses turns back into mice. The footman and coach driver turn back into lizards. Tapos nung nag-12 na, tumakbo si Cinderella palabas nung palasyo. Tapos, nung paglabas niya, bumalik yung mga minagic sa kanya. Ano nangyari dun sa maganda niyang damit? Binasahan ulit. Tapos yung karwahe niya,
Naging kalabasa.
kalabasa ulit. Tapos yung daga,
Naging daga.
naging daga. Yung dating daga,
Naging daga ulit.
yung footman,
Naging
butike. Cinderella loses a glass slippers as she runs. The prince finds it. He asks every girl in the land to try on the slipper to see if it fits. Tapos nung tumakbo pala si Cinderella, naiwan niya yung isang sapatos niya. Tapos nakakita nung prinsipe. Tapos ang ginawa ng prinsipe?
Inanap.
Hinanap yung may-ari. Tapos pinasukat niya sa lahat ng mga babae dun sa lugar niya. Kaya lang, walang magkasya. At last, it is Cinderella's turn to try on the slipper. It fits perfectly. The prince marries Cinderella. They live happily ever after. Tapos, nung last, si Cinderella na yung nag-fit. Siyempre, nagkasya kasi sa kanya yun. Nung ginawa nung prinsipe, nung nalaman siya, pinakasalan siya, tapos naging masaya sila. Okay. Ano yung naging lesson niya kay Cinderella? Tumulong sa kapatid, tapos maging mabait. Tapos, wag maging tamad. Kasi di ba yung mga kapatid niya, tamad. Kailangan maging sipag. May natutunan pa kayo kay Cinderella?
Opo.
Okay, kids. Thank you sa pakikinig. Sana gayahin niyo si Cinderella na mabait. Thank you.